My name is Aishwarya Milan Jadhav. I'm from Nasik, and I have been associated with Anirudh sir from the last 1 year. Actually, even before that, but I was not a regular follower of it. So I have seen what difference it makes when we actually follow the meditation, because it seems to be a very small thing for us that we are writing the daily affirmations, gratitude. We think that this is what we can think in our mind also, but I have seen what difference it can create. In 2023 I did not regularly follow it, but in 2024 I was very regular for prelims, for means. And I think the reason why I am here today is because of these sessions, because knowledge is something that everyone will get, but it is about the temperament, because there it is, we feel very anxious when we are sitting there writing the exam, and that is something that has worked for me a lot. So I would say that you should just blindly trust. For prelims, daily I used to write the intentions, affirmations, and gratitude, and then send it to sir with the level of productivity what I have achieved. So that used to be an accountability factor, and I used to get motivated every day that now today I have done 80%, tomorrow I should at least have 82%. So that way I did it for 80 days continuously, and it worked for me. I was very confident when when I went there to write the paper in the paper, and I could also sense it that maybe I will clear prelims, and I did clear it. During mains also, daily I used to send sir whatever test I am writing, how much marks I am getting in the test, and what improvements I am doing daily. That helped me to keep a check on how much I am progressing daily, and it gave me a sense of calmness that I am not wasting my time. Every day I am devoting for the mains preparation. And also before the mains result, I got a dream that I will clear the mains. So I would say that the visualization and the manifestation that we do about our success, it really works. And you should definitely follow this daily, not just for exam, but otherwise also in life, we should follow this for having a calm and composed environment around us. For interview also, the way I was able to speak in front of, when five people are sitting in front of us, it is sometimes very intimidating, but the meditation processes itself induce that calmness in me. So I don't feel anxious now when I give the interview. I'm very confident when I speak, I smile when I speak, and that's why I'm getting very good feedback also. So I'm very hopeful that in interview also I will do good, and if my name appears this time, it will be because of sir.